Hi, this is Kit Welchlin and welcome to SeminarsOnStress.com. Today's video blog is on stress management. The question is, how about acceptance? Kit, I've had a life full of trials and tribulations. Civil trials, not criminal. I'm trying to be funny. Anyway, tribulations. Soaked with suffering, misery, heartache. Hey, I could be a country music singer. Anyway, how does a person minimize the stress caused by hardship? One of the best ways to reduce stress and diffuse a stressful situation is to simply accept it. Acceptance is an attitude, not an action. Accept the environment or circumstances you are in. Accept whatever is happening. Accept your feelings about it, no matter how mixed the emotions. Finally, accept the fact that you are feeling stressed. The true source of the stress in your life is not whatever particular thing you think is creating the stress. It's the emotion. That's the thing that is stirring inside you. Some things are to be understood and changed. Others can only be understood. I'm sure many of us have heard the Serenity Prayer, Lord, grant me the courage to change what I can, the serenity to accept what I cannot change, and the wisdom to know the difference. Finding acceptance is often what allows us to be ready and able to make the necessary change. Our challenge is to expand our options, regardless of our circumstances. Sometimes, to feel better quickly, stress may make us choose an option that will ease our pain in the short run, but ultimately cause dissatisfaction in the long run. You need to be in charge of your emotions rather than your emotions being in charge of you. Making choices that are reasonable, such as setting goals with realistic expectations, or prioritizing your activities based upon your values, or living within your means, helps you reduce stress. As I've always said, hope for the best, plan for the worst, and accept what you get. Makes sense, makes sense. I think I will accept the past and appreciate that it was necessary for me to experience all that pain and sorrow, so I am now able to enjoy what I am and where I am today. Thank you for watching this video blog on stress management. And the question was, how about acceptance? It doesn't matter how much stress you're under. If you're feeling it, you're going to slip up every once in a while. And sometimes things simply don't go our way. Accept it. If you and your coworkers are suffering from significant stress, contact me at kit@SeminarsOnStress.com and I will deliver a presentation packed with dozens of stress management strategies. Check back to SeminarsOnStress.com regularly for a new video blog.